Hi, it's Michael Gaffney. I promise I'm going to show you how to do the hottest bouquet in America right now. It's that Boho Napa Valley look you all love. You're going to start with a focal flower. The secret is to green around all of them. This is lemon leaf. It's a good base for this bouquet. You're going to put little tips around every flower. It's the opposite of a solid ball of English mass flowers. It is separated by your greenery. Look, it's pretty already. Next, I'm gonna add a flower. Lower than the hydrangea, you're doing the ball. And then I'm gonna add some more green. A little bit of lemon leaf. And then I'm gonna toss the salad. Start adding other greens for that boho vibe. Then I'm gonna add a few more flowers. Got a lily, a white lily, always pretty in a wedding. And a rose. Maybe 3 roses, and then I'm going to green around all of those flowers. Oh, where'd they go? Right over here. Again, lower than the hydrangea. So the green bouquet, I call it in class. Everybody laughs. I go green. I have classes, schools all over the country, 17 cities. Join us. You can come and do a whole three giant big bouquets for $195 and go home with over $200 worth of flowers. There is another one. I'm gonna add another rose. I'm gonna do a pink over here. So I'm always doing like a drone overview, looking at where I need a color or a material. So that's where I'm at now. And I'm gonna toss the salad some more. So you keep adding these mixed greens. I've got eucalyptus, grevillea, and lemon leaf. So, continuing on, adding, mixing. Now this is called threading. I take my greens, very important, and pull them through, pull them down my design. It opens up your design to make it that much prettier. Now I need some work over here, a white rose over there, a white rose over here. You can even tell me where I need the next flower, I'm sure, watching at home. It's your boho chicy vibey bouquet. I've got one more stem that's kind of broken lily, but I'll use it. Oh, I got another stem of broken lily. I'll use it over here. See where we're going? Lots of greens. I just woke up and grabbed my greens out of the garden. That's the kind of girl I am. I'm not fancy, I'm a natural girl. That's what they're thinking, but they wind up with this on the cover of a magazine. We don't want that. We want good design, even if they're doing this ragamuffin, like a ragamuffin bouquet. I have to make my clients look chic and pretty. I think it's pretty just in a basic tone. You do, look, seeded eucalyptus from the garbage. Everybody loves seeded euc. So I'm gonna finish up. You say your hands aren't big enough? Yes, they are. You'll get it. A little more of this, toss the salad, a little bit more, some flying grevillea out the side. And I'm gonna thread it one more time. That's pulling your greens through your flowers. It makes it 60% prettier as you uncover the goods. We can smush things around, I say, push it around. That hydrangea's a little high, but reach underneath and just tuck it in here. Like that. And then I'm gonna take my tape. You tape it real high. You're gonna put a little bit of green under your finger right there. And you're going to wrap it. This is adhesive. When you pull on it, it releases a little adhesive. I'm just gonna secure all my stems by wrapping like that. And then squeezing it together, pulling too hard. And there is my boho design, ready for the wedding, ready to come down the aisle. It's that natural greeny vibe and look that every girl wants these days. So, Flower School 101, watch my videos, all kinds of stuff. You too can be a designer. I used to drive and worked on Wall Street, New York City as a clerk. And I walked into a flower shop one day and started driving a truck, and this is what happened. Flowerschool101.com. Keep blooming.